I'll have it linked in the description. Fusion Motorsports, my code saves you $50 there, so it's a nice discount they provide to my viewers. Now this next item here is, you're like, oh, that's an umbrella. It's not. It is not, folks. This is from Vicseed. I will have them linked in the description as well. This is a sunshade for the front of the car. So let's go see how it works. And can it work as an umbrella? Maybe. Maybe it can. So it comes in this nice little leather pouch. You're able to keep it in the side compartment of your door here. So you're able to keep it right there. So as far as applying this to the car, it's really well thought out, and I'm gonna show you why. First, just slide it up just like an umbrella. See, actually in Arizona, instead of umbrellas, this would actually be way more useful to carry around. So it slides behind here. Now you're thinking to yourself, okay, but there's that stupid thing that hangs in front of the screen. Not true. What you do is you bend this and then you turn it and it pivots, and it's meant to do that. That's how it was developed. And then up here there's Velcro, and then that all just sits in place, as you can see. So it gives you really great coverage. A lot of sunshades you have to like put this up to keep it in place. You don't have to do that because this stand keeps it in place, and then this is very rigid. To take this off the windshield, simply do the Velcro first, twist this around, and then hit the red button to release it, and it all folds right back into place nicely. So it does that. And then this is also, I just realized this is multifunctional, so basically it wraps around like that, and then you're able to stuff it down into the leather case, and away it goes. What I like about it is being compact and being able to sit in your door, so you can just go like this, grab it, and put it up, as opposed to, you know, having to get into the trunk or take up room in the back for those big surface area ones. So very nice product from Vicseed. Again, it's an Amazon product. I'll have it linked down in the description. And thank you to Vicseed for sending this out so I could review it, because it is a cool looking product. And especially when you're sitting at superchargers, the sun's beating down, you want to just get a little bit more protection.